Come on. Come on. Peruzzi don't keep messing, bro. Peruzzi and the Jazzy should not. That's not fair. That's not even fair. It's cheating. You people are cheating. Anyway, next track we have Don Jazzy and Phyno. I'm excited about this one. I want to see what Don Jazzy is laying down. Okay, I can't say that. Now I'm very curious what Don Jazzy is putting down on this record, man. Let's see. Don Jazzy and Phyno, Baddest. How come Davido is not? How can you have a song called Baddest and Davido is not on it? How? Peruzzi, how? Who's your ear now? Man, taking us to the east. Peruzzi, like Peruzzi is Igbo. I think his name is like Tochukwu or something. Is it Tochukwu? No, it's not Tochukwu. Tobechukwu. I think it's Tobechukwu. But he never gives off that like Igbo vibe. Right? I mean, he feels very like you can like he gives off mad like Yoruba vibes, man. Slowly and surely, you see some of his Igbo heritage show up in some of his songs here and there. Hey.
She no one no, she no one go, she no one yeah.
Bro, did you hear how he entered the song? Did you hear that delivery? Did you hear the energy? Did you hear the ah? Nah, let's run that back. That shit scatter my head, bro.
Other girls they whine.
Hey.
She no one.
Where's my palm wine? Let's go.
She no one go.
Where the cola nuts?
She no one yeah. Abnormally she fine, so I know I know. So I know I go. So I know I
Yo, I'm sorry. This is harmony heaven for me right now. Don Jazzy is a beast when it comes to harmony. Not put Peruzzi on top. Are you mad? Expect. Hey. Now, when it comes to harmonies and the way they'll layer up and the way they'll vibe with it, I know this is gonna be a monster record, bro. Let's go. Yo, this is so nostalgic seeing Don Jazzy sing, bro. This is so nostalgic. Don Jazzy, I beg, sing more, man. Let's go. Hey. This is too good. The details. Okay, Phyno.
just a gig up on my gelio. It's a baggy you go colo. If you feel like baggy koro.
I mean, I don't be understanding what he's saying, but I'm feeling it, bro. It's like it doesn't have to. You don't have to hear it to feel it. Music is universal, you know. Language barrier. Get out of here, man.
For more, back up, baby, and your body make me go crazy. Over like a container, crazy. You know, he make it cano, crazy. He make it cano, crazy. Baddest. Baby girl, you the baddest. Hammer. When I do, I go scatter. Bye.
Hola. This is too much, bro. Hey. I mean, yo. Caveman. Let's add caveman to this, man. Hey.
You the baddest. Baddest. Come on, you be the baddest.
Yo, when his voice cracks, now you be the baddest. I love that shit, bro. I don't know why.
Baddest.
Come on. Come on. Peruzzi don't keep messing, bro. Peruzzi and the Jazzy should not. That's not fair. That's not even fair. It's cheating. You people are cheating. Bro, that's a record. That's a song and a half. That's a jam. That's a jam. Bro. Nah, this song is mad. Song is mad. A song that can get me up already and start dancing, bro. That's like you're already there. You already won me over. Where can we start, man? The level of detail they went into to tap that heritage, man. I think it was Spiroch that made this one. But the fact that Spiroch effortlessly just created that atmosphere, man. It's just too much. It's just too much, bro. Shout out to Spiroch, man. Spiroch is showing more range in this album so far. I'm here for it. The fact that he was able to catch all the details, all the right instrumentation to give you that orchestral, like Igbo high life. That atmosphere, man, was very well done. Whew. Shout out to Don Jazzy for that hook. Crazy, man. Don Jazzy singing is so like it's just beautiful to listen to, man. Don Jazzy, whenever Don Jazzy sings, right from if you want worship, mommy, water, now you sabi. As for me, my house, we will worship a lot. Like Don Jazzy, man, like always. Anytime he doesn't sing so often, but whenever he does, it's just crazy, man. You just have to give credit where credit is due, man. Don Jazzy has a very unique voice that you can't emulate anywhere else, man. Peruzzi made a good call of creating a Don Jazzy and Phyno moment. Phyno's voice was nasty, man. That flow, that cadence was crazy, man. It was just a very good call to have Phyno on that kind of record, and he didn't come with a rapidly rap. He came there and did his thing, man, where he that's his era, that's his atmosphere, and he's just the right person to call for that kind of direction, you know. And Baddest is sounding like a favorite right now, man. I'm out of breath. I started dancing to this record. It's saying a lot more about my cardio. My cardio is piss poor right now, and it just means, man, I need to go for a run again. Okay, because why am I still panting after the song? The song ended like 2 years ago and I'm still panting. Anyways, next track, they're giving us one. After you giving us the Jazzy, God, you give us the Jazzy and Phyno. Now you want to kill us with one day call. Bro, Peruzzi, take him easy, like, bro.